Hello guys, we're gonna do a mystery toy video. And then it is like a Kinetic sand car, but it's Dino Cafe, and you might get a golden bone T-Rex.
And the one and only Kinetic sand.
But we only have it. Oh yeah, and we all open two. And this is a Velociraptor, and this I don't know the long neck dinosaur. I don't know.
Brontosaurus?
Yeah.
Brontosaurus.
I didn't remember that good names. I had dinosaurs.
This is 6+, so
and
make sure you're 6 or older.
And stay tuned for the end. We might, and then this ultra rare box. And then I'll show you a rare one in here. It literally, I got it by first try. It's the only one at the store. And the lucky treasure I got for like first try again.
No, you're supposed to get those and every time.
Yeah. And then like and subscribe, good luck, and then have
if you get them. So.
And good luck for looking for the golden T-Rex bone. You wanna go first or I?
I'm gonna go first.
Okay. And see and have a okay.
Have good luck opening these.
Yeah.
I hope you get the gold one.
Yeah. Okay. Are you ready?
Yep.
I kind of just remember this. Jack, just go under it. And then do tape on it and make it easier. Try.
Right, it's so hard. Oh,
What the?
I just ripped it off. Wow, I'm buff.
And we got instructions so we know from the other ones.
Bro, it's so easy.
And it comes like a little weird mystery things come with. This will come with an axe and this will come with a knife.
I see the shovel.
And a shovel under it.
Yeah, it's at the bottom right there. Kind of cool though.
Ah!
Are you okay,
I
bro?
hurt my hand.
Are you okay?
Oh!
Bro, are you okay, bro?
I good.
Okay, I have opened it. Getting the shovel out. Now, okay, Max, do you know how to open these? Because you were the one who opened these two. How do you open them? Oh.
Get a shovel and then look.
Bruh.
Or you want to do a thunder way. Look.
Oh, yeah, because it's a crowbar.
Yeah, and there's this to you want. I can't think it first. Do that show. It's so far. Do that show. First, we gonna do mine first. And then
I can make shapes with the kinetics. Bro,
okay.
I hope you get the gold one. Fingers crossed, guys.
Okay.
Fingers crossed.
Then let's dig it.
Bro.
Oh, well, dig in.
Dig in. Dinner is served. You're eating lava for dinner.
I found something. Oh, I know this one.
Pterodactyl.
No. I'll let you know this one. I said, do not open it, Jack. Okay. Okay, find a head.
Bro, you got a duplicate, bro?
Yep. First duplicate. Okay, let's see.
I'm opening it now.
But I say not open it.
Bruh.
Save it to after mine, whatever I got.
I hope I get the gold one. Fingers crossed.
What the?
Bro, you got an axe, bro.
I only have the axe.
I wonder if I get a sword.
Okay, we'll sneak in. I'll find something.
Wait, I'm gonna do something funny when I open mine. So I'm gonna like, and then it like goes flying over there.
Oh,
Bye. See you next
that
time.
hard.
Your neck is too long.
Remember, these are well sneaking. Sometimes we'll like.
Can I open mine, bro?
No.
Or can I open mine?
Okay, I need to do something easy.
Bro, I'm getting bored. Bro, that easy, bro. That easy, boy. My big mama. Bro. Did you even get one, bro? Is there even any legs? Okay, finally we have found it. We have found it.
We found a tail.
Okay, the tail.
When I found all the pieces, you can open it. Yours. Oh, it's really hard to get the. Oh, where is it?
What the heck?
Okay, I might need help.
That's a lot of
Get me a jacket.
Okay, I'll get one.
Use this napkin for you.
I don't want a dirty one. I'm using a clean one. I'm excited. I can't wait. I'm gonna like eat.
Where is it?
Like slap it and then.
I need to look for a leg. Wait there. Okay.
Fingers crossed.
Wow, these are hard to find a leg.
Are you supposed to like dig in there or not?
No.
Oh right, that's where the shovel and crowbar was. Max, should I like do this and then it
Come
goes
on.
flying?
Oh my god, this is so soft.
Yo, oh that is soft, bro.
Okay.
That's soft. It's easy to dig with. I wish with the gold one, the sand would be gold. I wish it would be like that.
Well, I saw the sand is wet.
Yeah, I wish the sand was gold if you got the gold one.
Oh, come on. Wow, this leg is well. Okay, I think I'm getting something.
Oh, you got something?
Don't they forgot add the leg in
I
there?
think, well, oh yeah, they did maybe.
Okay, let me check on this.
If I get a duplicate, you can have my legs.
Okay. I try.
If I get a golden one, I'll give you the legs, no matter what.
Come on.
You want me to build it for you? For that?
Okay. Okay. You want to open yours now?
Yeah.
I'm gonna look for it while you open it. While you're looking. You did not get the gold.
Dang it, I didn't get the gold. I see an arm.
And it's a double. Look. Okay, can I check on it
I
for
got
you? Yep, it's duplicate.
Bruh, what the heck? That was your fault. Look at this. Look what I got. Cool.
But that's not double. That good news.
Combing your hair.
But
I can comb my hair.
okay, I think we got army of fossil actors.
No, we only have 3.
Okay, come on.
Okay, I got 1 leg.
Come on, look.
Okay, I have a leg. I have the other leg.
Come on.
Other leg.
Come on. Come on. Come on, get over here. Where are you? Where are you? Oh my goodness, why hard to find the last leg for mine?
I have 2 legs. I have both 2.
Do you find them all, Jack?
I think I have.
Bah! Okay, why we did we got something? Do you think this worth it? A $20?
Like all of these, yes.
Yeah.
I think all of these mixed together were $20.
Yeah.
I think they were all $5, right?
Yeah, they're all $5.
Okay,
and they're
then-
$5. I don't know.
Yeah, that means they were all 20. I mean, all of them mixed together were 20.
Okay, what's the time for making these? What the? Did I left something on? Oh, kinda.
Okay. I have them both.
Okay. And then you try to fix
I have
this.
all of this. Na 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 na. Wait, we can make a Jurassic Park. We can make Jurassic Park,
Bone treasure park.
but with bones, right?
Yeah. And then.
But with graves in it, because these are the graves of them.
Okay, here the legless Fossilraptor high.
Why did you almost call it pterodactyl? Called it pterodactyl.
Okay, what's I try to look for my leg?
No.
I'm just so mad that we got 2 doubles at one video.
At least we got an army. At least we can make an army.
Yeah.
What's up? It's eating it.
Come on, get over here.
The Brontosaurus is getting eaten by mine. I'm gonna watch these parts off when we're done with the video. So,
Look for.
and I got this. I think these are bones from something.
Yeah, it is the bones.
Got the magic in my bones.
What the fuck did that song is?
Bones from Imagine Dragons.
Oh, come on.
Bro, how do you not know?
Okay, time for come back to you. Okay. I got special for you. Okay. Come on, get over here.
I hope I get these.
Get in here. And I'm gonna feed these bones to the ultra rare thing.
Should we show it to the watchers, the subscribers?
Yeah. First, after we clean up this.
Yeah, after we clean all this up.
Okay. Let's eat this. Okay. Rest in peace.
I'm sorry for your loss.
Okay, gonna do this then.
Okay, I have all my kinetic sand, so these little chunks.
Okay. Just turn these to the box. Then.
I just remember from something funny from first grade.
And then. Oh. Okay. Then. Okay. Then.
At least we got a velociraptor.
Finish touch.
Yeah.
And then.
I like my
this.
armies of velociraptors. They're the closest dinosaurs to T-Rexes. So.
Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready for the showing of the ultra rare jack?
Yep.
Okay. Get ready.
On
Then.
3, 2, 1. Godzilla.
Ultra Rare Godzilla. I got my first try. A glow dark and the only one, the last one at Target. It is $6 or $7.
I think that was the only one in the box.
In the last one, Jack.
Yeah, I know.
And
Like
then,
the only glow in the dark in the box.
okay.
Whenever they pack
I
it.
kind of do another video to showing like some like another mystery video coming up like a couple days or months or weeks too.
Or years.
And then, well, that's it for the video today.
Oh, you're supposed to take out the sand and then leave it empty, the coffin.
I'll keep this in here.
Well, that is its storage thing.
Okay, and then, well, that's it.
Storage room.
That's it for today. And have a go out for looking for the golden T-Rex in, the gold, the hard to find these, so I know. And then, so goodbye. See you later. And like and subscribe. Goodbye.